You spend hours on those ribs, seasoned them up, slathered on sauce, and watched the grill like a hawk. But when you took that first bite, you knew that flavor just wasn't right. You can't serve up ribs to your family and friends tasting like that. Can I be straight up with you? Here's the truth most folks won't tell you. Sauce can't save bad ribs. Not if they're under seasoned, not if the fire's off, and definitely not if you're building flavor in the wrong order. We've seen it hundreds of times. Someone drowns their ribs in sauce and just hopes for the best. But if that's your first move instead of your last, you're building flavor backwards. You see, real flavor comes from layers, and we use something called the grilling flavor pyramid to get it right every time. Let's break it down. At the base of the pyramid is what most people skip: seasoning and salt absorption. Not just sprinkling on a little rub and calling it good. We're talking about building a foundation, letting salt soak in, using rubs that actually work with the specific protein and not against it. In the middle is where complexity happens. Smoke and Maillard reactions. This is where you build bark, get color, and develop those deep caramelized flavors that sauce just can't fake. And then, at the very top of the pyramid, you've got your sauces and finishes. These aren't the flavor, they're the accent, they're the highlight. They should enhance what you've already built, not try to cover up mistakes. So, if your first move is sauce, or your ribs are either burnt or pale underneath that glaze, it's time to rethink the order. You don't need more sauce. You need better fire control. You need better layers. We put together a free resource that maps this all out. It's called the Grilling Flavor Pyramid, and it'll help you build flavor the right way every time. You can grab it free using the link in the description. No matter what you're cooking this weekend, just remember flavor isn't bought, it's built. Sauce is part of the story, but it's not the foundation. Real flavor starts long before the glaze goes on. It's built in layers: seasoning, smoke, heat, and finish. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.